How to fix Instagram direct messages not working on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Type here Instagram, click on it. Now just make sure it's updated. You will see here update and then just click on it. And if that doesn't fix your problem and you have an Android phone, go to settings, apps again, type here Instagram and click on it. Then just click for stop and go to storage, clear data. You will lose your accounts and you will need to log in again, but that will fix your problem. And if you have an iOS, just go to settings and then and then general and iPhone storage and select Instagram and click offload, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.